Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing day-old Pandesal because moisture ruins texture. Remove any fillings and trim very dense crusts. Once done, slice rolls to increase surface area so drying is efficient, and portion about 120-140 g per batch for a food processor. Preheat an oven to 90-100 degrees C and arrange slices on a single tray to dry evenly. Make sure to rotate trays every 10 minutes. Drying reduces moisture to under 10%, so the crumbs will store and crisp correctly. You next control texture using a food processor. Pulse in short bursts of 1 to 2 seconds to create coarse crumbs. This prevents paste formation. Once coarse, pulse longer in 10 to 15 short bursts to achieve a finer grind if needed, making sure to stop and cool the motor so crumbs don't clump from heat. After grinding, sieve through a 3-4 mm mesh. Any oversized pieces go back for another quick pulse. This step gives you consistent particle size for even coating and frying. You finish by seasoning and storing for future use. Add about 1/2 tsp salt per 100 g crumbs and mix gently, or fold in 1 teaspoon sugar or dried herbs for flavor. Pack into airtight containers. Refrigerate up to 2 weeks or freeze for 3 months with oxygen removed. If your breadcrumbs become soggy later, don't discard them. Respread on a tray and re-dry at 80 degrees C for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pulse once more to restore crispness. That one troubleshooting step saves most batches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.